Good morning and welcome to NAGA's latest market update. It is Thursday, the 10th of December. And you know, when you're growing up, you're told if at first you don't succeed, you keep on trying. That does not mean anything for Brexit. That does not work. So basically what we do know is that the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson's emergency visit to Brussels for crisis talks with his EU counterparts over many differences and opinions over the EU Brexit trade deal, it's basically not worked. What we can say at the moment, and this is an ever-changing situation, is that the Brexit deadline for a trade agreement is now this Sunday. This is seen as pretty much set in stone, but you just never know with Brexit. But the risks are increasing by the minute, no longer by the hour, that there will be a no-deal trade agreement, because Downing Street have provided this narrative that a no deal is better than a bad deal. So we could have a very explosive and volatile next couple of days for what has been already a very lively British pound. Now, I'm just going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you what I'm watching on the charts. And I've got the pound US dollar up here on the daily time frame, and we can see these are daily candlesticks, but we can see the spikes in the this areas here, and it has been busy. Anything is possible here. Cooler heads should prevail, and we should get a Brexit trade agreement, which means that the chances potentially increase that the pound should start moving back towards its highs of last week. But as things stand, concerns are rising that we will not get a Brexit trade deal at all, which of course and naturally increases the chances of the pound continuing to decline. Let's hope that that case is avoided, because that will bring a great deal of economic and political uncertainty that I think we could all do without. Today, what we are clearly watching is the European Central Bank decision, and we should not forget about this one, because the ECB promised at the end of October in their last policy meeting that essentially they were going to act this month. And the question comes whether what action they bring to the table, can it drop the euro back below 120, which is only 80 pips away. If we do see a move below 120, this increases the chances of a lot of technical traders thinking that they can push the euro lower as a correction. However, dollar environment, dollar dynamics remains very much against dollar strength at the moment. And if we do not see 120, the outlook is still firmly medium and longer term bullish on the euro dollar. Overall, we're expecting a very busy end to the week. It has been a busy week for the FX pairs anyway, but things will definitely start kicking up and continuing in that kind of trend. Let me know in your comments whether you think that the Brexit deal is going to be reached or not. It is a heads and tails. It is a guessing game. Nonetheless, it's going to be a very topical theme for markets over the end of the year. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to NAGA's social media channels for more news, updates, and analysis, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.